In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to build an affiliate marketing lead capture page using Leadsleap for completely free. Alright, let's get into it. So what you would want to do is create a new list using and then what you would want to do is create a new campaign. Well, first of all, you already have to have a product to promote in order for it to work. So I'm going to call it affiliating page. Add now. Add new page to start. Start with a blank page. And you'll want to hit launch editor. And we're gonna need a decent looking page here. In my opinion, this is pretty good right here, so I'm gonna click this one. I am going to get rid of this ad bar right here, which you can do. Ad widget, you could delete that. And yes, confirm delete. That's just to clean up the list. Well, in order for you to activate this, you'll have to create a new list and all that stuff, which I'll show with you after using the editor. So I already have a product to promote right now. It's called affiliating. I'm going to copy this headline right here. Profitable online business. I'll show you how, and then you'll want to copy basically what the headline and the sub-headline on the sales page of the product that you want to promote onto the page manager for the page builder part in Leadsleap. Just to put it simple. 35,000. $800. $97. And 38 cents. And then you'll want to do this really quick. And you could also shrink down the size of the text, which I would recommend you do, because 45 is a bit large for this wording. And counting. Can't spell counting right now. There we go. From one on. Grab this value path training. Training. And copy my simple strategy. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So I am gonna delete this. Row. Hold on, undo. Okay. Never mind, I'm not gonna undo that. There we go. updating editor. Had to do that for a second just to fix some things. And then you'll want to fix this, because this should be on the bottom. Name and email. Just so it can make sense, you know? But yeah, this is a pretty good opt-in page. Yeah, and just hit save. And of course you'll want to activate it, and this is how you'll want to create your squeeze page using the sales page of what's on the headline, the subheadline, and this bottom text part of what the sales page says. Just so you want to be congruent to the offer that you're promoting. And then what you'll want to do is, when you get that part done, is that you'll want to use the send steed part and redirect URL of the affiliate offer, which I already have. Copy link address. Add it in here. And you'll want to do the same for the list manager too, just so you can get the list ID. And hit save one more time. I'll share with you this part right here, the list. You get one free email sent out, just so you know, when somebody opts in. Just so you know. You want a free and you'll want to activate list, of course. To go back, you want to go back, and 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 to go back into list ID, and get list ID, and hit save. Email series, you want to go there. This is where you get the one free email send out. Just gotta find the affiliating page, okay. Add new, import, and the code, hit edit the email right here. And you want to go to your offer page. An affiliate page of the offer that you're promoting. I'm just using Warrior Plus as an example, as a way for to get just as an example, you know. About to learn about Leadsleap, there's Lead by the way, and you can also pick up Leadsleap 2 down below to create your free account. again. And yeah, you'll just want to get information that about the and then you'll just want to edit this whole entire email pretty much, and then add in your link and hyperlink it, of course. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.